People just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately, most of these people don't have.
फ्लैग्स हैं पर आप इस शो की सबसे बड़ी रेड फ्लैग किसे बनाएंगे?
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately, most of these people don't have. So I don't know if I'm the biggest red flag, but I use more than one brain cell at all times.
well, hard hai. If you could request your hand to the mic to Karan. Karan, what you have to say, and you've been television's favorite chocolate boy. Do you think that will affect the players' perception of you?
First of all, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. There's nothing chocolatey or sweet about traitors. Let me just state that fact here. If you think there's anything which is going to be nice and sweet and homely about this show, you're in for a very big surprise. And as Apurva said, it's not about your perception. It's about how you play and how you manipulate. So if these guys are thinking कि ये chocolatey है या ये बहुत sweet है, well, all the best to you guys then.
No place for the sweet tooth here. Yeah? Wishing you the best, Karan. If you could hand over the mic to Nikita. Nikita, you make a living off your poker face and skills. Now, do you think your game at the poker table will help you with your game on the show?
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living. And my job is to stay unreadable for a living while reading everyone else. So yes, this game is right up my alley. It might not just be helpful to be a poker player, it might be actually dangerous.
Well, thank you for giving us this banter and this appetizer to start with, man. Thank you. We love it. Sufi, why don't you do what you do the best, is
Jesus.
rate this group that's sharing the stage with you. Rate it. Come on.
Everybody's ready? बेशरम, बेहया, बेवकूफ, बगैरत, बदतमीज, बेहुदगिरी, सब कुछ करके आ गए हम लोग. Just kidding. I do not like this question because you want me to be nice, but I play dirty and you know that. And to the media, imagine if Rakhi Sawant and Paris Hilton had a baby. That's what I'm giving on this show. And that is a 10 out of 10, baby. That's a 10 out of 10.
We love that concoction. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Parody
sir.
तो आप कर लेते हैं. Reality में survive कैसे करोगे?
एक्चुअली एक्टिंग ही हर जगह करनी चाहिए और मैंने यहाँ भी वही किया है. तो आपको एक बहुत खास कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलेगा, पूरव झा का. ठीक है, तो हर थर्सडे के लिए रेडी रहना. यस.
मुझे चेतावनी मिली है यहाँ पे. Ready, I'm absolutely ready, and so is everyone here. Jasmine, you know, जितने दोस्त के साथ आप इस गेम में आई हैं, क्या लगता है उतने ही लेके जाएंगी या उसमें कम होंगे या बढ़त होगी?
हो सकता है ज़्यादा के साथ जाऊं, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि गेम शो में दोस्त कोई नहीं होता, सब कॉम्पिटिटर होते हैं.
You have so many avatars. Which avatar will be seeing of yours in the show? And also, will you be the villain or do you have something else up your sleeve?
I think this is a reality show. I'm going to keep it real. Just be myself. And my strategy is going to be not have a strategy. Just be myself. Basically, that is what it's going to be.
His voice is more than enough when he starts talking in there, right? So, but thank you and wishing you the best, Sudhanshu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Janvi, my questions to you. You know, as a tarot reader, you're quite a mind reader to people reader too. So, do you think you're a threat to other players?
Thank you for your question. ये एक धोखों का महासागर है एंड हर एक का धोखा देने का एक अपना स्टाइल है. तो हर धोखे से और हर एक के धोखे से कैसे बचना है, कैसे उसे डॉज करना है, आई थिंक दैट विल बी इन माय फेवर.
काफी तरीके और पैंतरे आप ऑलरेडी तैयार करके लाई. आप योर स्लीव्स, विशिंग यू द बेस्ट. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. रफ्तार, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है. With all the dhoka going around, are we going to see a very different avatar and, you know, a cold-blooded shade of you?
सर, ये जो लैंड है ना, ये धोखेबाजों का है. ये ट्रेटर्स की जमीन है. तो जैसा देश वैसा भेस और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस.
Oh, man of yours, impressive. If I could request you to hand over the mic to her. Thank you. Jannat, what is the one secret weapon that will help you survive in such a cutthroat game and filled with backstabbing and out-and-out dhoka?
I think my sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm going to play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their guards down, checkmate.
Well, she's reinstating the fact looks are deceptive, but wishing you the best. Sahil, my questions to you. It seems like the competition's going to be extremely intense and the stakes sky high. Do you think you'll be able to work your charm on this show?
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
यानी कि रफ्तार, जन्नत, साहिल, इनमें से आपको सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन लगता है?
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's a
Sahil, I think Sahil is the biggest threat.
हाँ? वो तो हम 12 जून के बाद जानेंगे क्या क्या किया और क्या क्या हुआ है. But wishing you guys the best and thank you so much.
सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है. एक मिस्ट्री है, तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स. इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन 1 मिनट में. यही स्ट्रैटेजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे, इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो जरूर यूज करूंगा.
Wish you the best. Elnaz, how far would you go to win and how important is it personally for you to win?
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm gonna go as far as I have to go, and I'm gonna look good doing it, and I'm gonna do everything to win forever in life.
And you fared extremely well so far. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. Lakshmi, do you think you can win over friends and influence people?
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
Thank you and wish you the best. Harsh.
Yes.
Drama and laughs. Sounds like your stage. Now, इस शो में क्या आप प्लेयर्स को हंसाने वाले हैं या रुलाने वाले हैं? क्या प्लान है?
सर इस स्टेज पे इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा. I am coming, the traitors. Thank you.
इसकी गूंज सुनाई देगी दूर दूर तक.
हाँ सर, मुझे तो आप भी ट्रेटर लग रहे हो.
चौथा नहीं है अभी तक 3 ही है सिर्फ. वो ढूंढने कौन है, पर 12 जून के बाद. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. If I could request to hand over the mic. Anshula, would you be able to betray someone to go and get ahead in the game? Out and out.
You called me innocent and calm. I may look innocent and calm. I may look cute even. But acting तो हमारे खून में है ना. And killing it with a little bit of confidence and killing it with a smile on my face, I think is my forte.
For Karan in the trailer, now I can put 2 and 2 together where he said at the start, the tone is such. So I'm going to stick to that, Karan.
I will answer in that tone too.
Yeah, it's...
I'll be nice.
Yeah, thank you. The innocent. All right, but super impressive trailer. As in, I was talking to you backstage and I told that, it's already connected us. We want more and more and we're so hooked into it already. So can't wait for the 12th of June. We got to wait because मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि patience bears fruitful results. A few questions so that we could deep dive into the world of the traitors. And Nikhil, starting with you, when curating this particular group of 20 players for the traitors, what were the traits that you guys were looking for?
So for traitors, we were, for the show, these players, we wanted them to be a diverse bunch of players from all walks of life, but most importantly, everyone should have a unique trait that they bring for to the show. And we're very lucky that we found these 20 incredible players who joined the show. Some of them, as you've seen, are sort of natural charmers. Some of them are strategic players, and some of them are just too innocent to play dirty. And that was really crucial, this bunch of people to come together. But above all, we were looking for people who have a distinct personality, who are unapologetic about presenting themselves on screen, their authentic self. And also, very importantly, emotionally intelligent people, because it's such a mind game. You need to be able to influence others, you need to be able to manipulate others to sort of get ahead. And one interesting thing about all these players is that some of them are known to each other from before, and many of them are sort of complete strangers. They don't know each other at all. So it'll be fun to see that in the show, if you know somebody from outside, is that a strength, or does it turn out to be a weakness in the show? And that's really where the fun comes from.
Yeah, we look forward to that fun. And you said they're charmers, they're strategic players, but all in all, they all are great talkers, because that's how they have to get their way around. And well, thank you for those details. And Karan, how did the traitors happen to you, and what was the first thought that crossed your mind when you were approached for the traitors?
How did the traitors happen to me? Traitors have been happening to me all my life. We're all in an industry where trust is rare and dhoka is everywhere. But I was actually, Nikhil came home one evening and said that I have something exciting to tell you about. And he said, it's a show called The Traitors, and then we want you to host it. I'm like, who else, can host a show called The Traitors? And then, of course, I went and saw the international formats. I saw the UK version, the US version, which are already cult and loved and hugely popular shows, all into their third season, if I'm not wrong. I was just absolutely enthralled, invested, engaged, mesmerized by the sheer craziness of this supremely clever format. I don't know, it was apparently a format was created in, it was a Norwegian, it was a Dutch format, sorry. It's a Dutch format. I'm like, those guys are supremely clever to come out, and I loved it. And I was like, pretty much on as soon as I saw that, and I was like, let's do it, because it seemed so exciting. It was different from every other reality show that is on any kind of platform. And I was like, this is something I haven't done, and here you don't need to be inauthentic. The thing is, in many reality shows, we are also fraudulent, on a daily basis. We are crying when we don't want to cry, or we are laughing loudly when we don't want to laugh. Here, it's none of that. It's all actually real-time drama, and you're reacting authentically. There's no put on. Everyone is being an authentic self. You're really feeling betrayed. You're really feeling hurt. You're really feeling happy or empowered. You basically are the most authentic self of yourself. And I think that's what really excited me.
So it's absolutely raw.
Yeah.
And we love the bold you and the outspoken you, and as you rightly started by saying, who better than you to host the Traitors. So thank you, and we look forward to it. Nikhil, how significant is the host to the format of the Traitors?
So this is a great question, because unlike other formats, the host is not present throughout the gameplay. But whenever the host enters the show, they sort of create chaos and maximum impact. So when we were looking to see who should sort of host the show, we wanted someone who's warm but can also be intimidating, someone who you can have a great conversation with, but also someone who's larger than life and extremely charismatic. And Karan was the sort of obvious choice. His command on storytelling, his experience, his ability to create emotion and drama and tension is sort of unparalleled. And when you see him, you've seen a glimpse, but when you see him on the show, you'll understand what an amazing impact that he's had on the show to make it even more riveting. And thank you, Karan, for agreeing to do this.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Well, Karan, you did mention at the start of the event today that, there's a circle of shuck and every day there's a murder. But we want to know, and we also saw it in the player, that, but we want to know, how do players get eliminated?
So that's what happens, is basically in the circle of shuck, everybody tries to spot the traitor, and then they take a consensus. So the maximum votes given to X person is then doomed a traitor and then is made to leave. But before leaving is asked, are you a traitor or are you an innocent? And that's the moment to really watch out for. Because when they get it wrong, you can tell the collective gasp of all the conspirators, like, shit, we got it wrong. And when they get it right, literally, I won't give you any spoilers, but there was one moment when perhaps they got it right, and I felt they were going to jump on me as well, and that's not the format, because I'm the host and you have to be really keep a distance from me, but I could feel the energy in that room. So that's how one gets eliminated. But the three traitors also every night meet under the clock tower and they murder one person. So there are 2 eliminations every day.
Wow, that's a lot to take.
Yeah, it is. And I want to tell you, you mean business in every moment of, like, literally when I used to wear these long coats and arrive every day, and I felt like I was in character myself. So I feel like you can't communicate with any player. I can't talk to them, even though I'm friendly with some. Mahip is one of my dearest friends. I wasn't even looking at her. She was getting really hassled because she kept looking for some validation, some smile, like somebody. And I would just give her the dirtiest looks ever, because I'm not meant to engage. I'm not meant to talk. I cannot be caught in the corridors of that hotel and even being spoken to. If that happens, they will be asked to leave. They're breaking format. So it was exhausting as to go back to my hotel room and feel like, when I go under the shower and feel like, oh God, I feel like an entire, truckload of baggage has gone off my, because you whole day you're being so strict, disciplinarian, you're in the mode, you're following the format, you're being aggressive, angry, and strict all the time. I'm not all those things on a daily basis, though many would believe maybe I am, but I'm not. So it was really tough for me also as a host to keep that visage.
We vouch for that, you are not. But on a daily basis.
Oh, you don't know me.
What we've seen, definitely. But this mysterious circle of shak, pura ka pura din, now for the players, wo shak pe जी रहे हैं पूरा दिन?
बिल्कुल.
How does that, when you're seeing them, how does it?
कुछ friendly होने की acting कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ constantly शकी नज़र से देख रहे हैं, कुछ किन्होंने एक्चुअली ग्रुप्स बनाया है क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि जितने हम एक ग्रुप बनाएंगे तो हम फिर एक्स पर्सन को बाहर निकाल सकते हैं और वो शायद उस ग्रुप बनाने वाला या वाली एक ट्रेटर हो तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मैनिपुलेशन एंड स्कीमिंग और जब मैं देखता था कंट्रोल रूम में क्या हो रहा है आई वाज लाइक भाई ये जो 20 ये प्लेयर्स हैं ये शातिर प्लेयर्स हैं वो पता नहीं कहाँ से प्राइम अमेज़न निखिल ने चुने इनको लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू से आई वाज आउट लाइक मैं वहाँ कुछ 12 दिन 14 दिन तक था और मेरे साथ मेरी टीम भी आई थी मैं एक फिल्म लिख रहा था कुछ प्रेप भी हो रही थी दूसरी फिल्मों के लिए वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के काम में कंट्रोल रूम में आके बैठ जाते थे because they wanted to know like they were watching it live time and then the ones who left would message who got out who got murdered like it was like literally we were all like I used to wait for Neha who was running the entire show to call me in the night and say okay X person got and I would wait and I was in very sleepy but at 2 or 3 in the morning मुझे वो information मिल जाती थी and I was like okay now I'll sleep because मुझे पता चल गया so literally I'm not lying to you अगर मैं शो में हूँ और मैं इतना invested हूँ तो आप लोग जो शो के बिल्कुल दूर हैं आपको मैं बता ही नहीं सकता कि आपके दिल और दिमाग के साथ क्या होने वाला है 12 जून के बाद
वो सारे के सारे 17 पीछे देख रहे हैं अभी और बोल रहे कि अच्छा
ये लोगों से मुझे अब भी डर लगता है मैं अभी उनको ठीक तरह नहीं मिल पाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ उनके शातिर दिमाग को भैया ये मेरे इंडस्ट्री के भाई हैं बहन हैं दोस्त हैं कॉलीग्स हैं लेकिन मैं इनसे हमेशा दूर ही रहूंगा मैंने महीब को ट्रस्ट करना बंद कर दिया उसके बाद शो के बाद मैं ट्रस्ट ही नहीं करता महीब को अभी
But we can't wait to connect with them on the 12th of June through the Traitors. And Nikhil, my question's for you. Now, with the Traitors, Prime Video is further elevating its, growing unscripted slate. Now, from the perspective of the audience, how is the viewing experience different from other reality shows? And what are your expectations from the Traitors?
So one of the terms which is very loosely used to describe shows is immersive content. But I can be completely honest that in this case, the term completely applies. And what sets the show apart is, as an audience, you already know who a traitor is and who the innocent is. And that makes the audience like a third character in the show. And you're seeing all this sort of deception play out in front of you. This is the kind of show that helps you understand the players and get into their psyche and mind in a way that no other show has done till now. And it'll shock you the kind of games that they're playing with each other to win. It's actually quite mind blowing, and the show's done so well across the world. We're hoping that it does extremely well in India as well. And for everyone out there, if you're looking for something which is truly bold, new, fresh, disruptive, Traitors is the show to watch.
As you rightly said. So
पहले एपिसोड में मैं बोलता हूँ धमाका होने वाला है like you're not going to expect what's going to happen on episode 1 like let me tell you कि at 9 p.m. sharp you're going to have your jaw dropping I can assure you
you.